budgie sounds and their meanings. Have you ever wondered whether all those twits and chirps coming from the tiny mouth of your budgie have a meaning? Just like all intelligent animals, including humans, budgies do have their own language, and here are some budgie sounds and their meanings. Happy chirps. This is an easy one, and your budgie's probably spending most of its day with happy chirps. Your budgie will combine chirps, whistles, and other noises into a constant stream of singing just to say that everything's okay and it's happy with its life. Unhappy chirps. When your budgie isn't happy with something, like you being noisy near it or a flog argument, it will most likely start raising its tones and scream until things are settled. Angry female sounds. When your budgie is bothered by something or pissed off, you'll hear them complain with this sound. It's usually a female thing as they are more aggressive and get angry easily, but male budgies are also known to do it if something gets on their nerves. Chattering. When budgies are relaxed, you'll usually hear them chatter non-stop. It will almost sound like they're mumbling. They will mostly do it while falling asleep or making other budgies around them fall asleep. The budgie will sit still while it chatters, with its feathers fluffed up in a chilling mood. Calling sounds. This one is the loudest and most annoying sound my budgies make. When parakeets are uncertain of what's happening or calling their flock mates, they will chirp very loudly in a singular tweet at a time. You can clearly see they're calling their friends or even you, their owner. Bee grinding. When a budgie sits on a perch, making a crackling and grinding sound with its beak, it means that they're taking it easy and relaxing. These sounds are the equivalent of a cat's purr, and you better prepare the blanket as it's about to go to sleep.